Today, we're diving deep into the world of rumors and leaks about the upcoming iPhone 16. With every new iPhone, expectations skyrocket, and this year is no different. So let's break down what we know so far. Apple has a knack for keeping us on our toes, but it looks like the iPhone 16 is sticking to the traditional September launch window. This means we can expect to see the new lineup unveiled in the fall, as has been the case for most recent iPhones, with the exception of the iPhone 12. To meet this anticipated launch, mass production has already begun in June. And there's more good news for tech enthusiasts in India. The country has joined the production line for the iPhone 16, which is a significant step in Apple's manufacturing strategy. When it comes to the iPhone's vital component, the display, the usual suspects are back in the game. Samsung and LG continue to be Apple's primary suppliers. BOE, a Chinese display maker, is eager to join the party, but is still awaiting Apple's approval. It'll be interesting to see if they can secure a spot in the iPhone 16 supply chain. Now, the burden question. Is it worth upgrading from your iPhone 15 to the iPhone 16? If you're expecting a revolutionary leap in performance, you might want to temper your expectations. While rumors suggest an additional 2 gigabytes of RAM, support for spatial video, and a slightly larger battery, these are incremental upgrades that might not justify a full phone replacement for many users. The real game changer could be Apple Intelligence, Apple's foray into the world of AI. However, there's a twist. While the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are equipped to handle Apple's AI features, the iPhone 16 won't be able to at launch. It's a bit of a bummer, especially considering the hype around AI. Apple Intelligence is expected to arrive with iOS 18.1, which is slated for an October release. While this might disappoint some, it's clear that Apple wants to focus on delivering a polished product rather than rushing to be the first to market with AI features. Let's talk about what we might see in terms of design. While there haven't been drastic changes in iPhone design in recent years, rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 could have featured slightly larger displays across the lineup. If true, this would be a welcome change for those who prefer a bigger screen without necessarily opting for the Pro models. Beyond the display, we can expect improvements in other areas as well. Battery life is always a top priority, and rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 will build on the battery performance of its predecessors. As for the camera, while we don't have concrete details yet, it's safe to assume that Apple will continue to push the boundaries of smartphone photography. So, should you upgrade to the iPhone 16? If you're desperate for the latest and greatest and can live without Apple Intelligence at launch, then it might be worth considering. However, if you're happy with your current iPhone and don't mind waiting for the full AI experience, it might be wiser to hold off. Ultimately, the decision is yours, but one thing's for sure. The iPhone 16 is shaping up to be another strong contender in the smartphone market. What do you think about the iPhone 16 rumors? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.